I am Chef Gorilla, and today I will teach you how to make Mom's classic braised pork ribs. The first step is to buy bone-inch pork loin ribs. Good quality meat with no fishy smell.
Carefully pound the ribs, then make a few cuts along the edges to prevent curling during cooking. Prepare the marinade. Mix soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and rice wine evenly.
Put the pounded ribs into the marinade, mix well, and let sit for 1 hour.
After marinating, lightly coat with sweet potato starch, then pan fry until golden brown on both sides.
Prepare for braising. Put the fried ribs into a stew pot, add scallions, ginger, and a braising packet. Pour in soy sauce and water, covering the ribs. Adjust saltiness to personal taste.
Cover the lid and simmer over low heat to allow the ribs to fully absorb Mom's classic flavor.
This is Mum's classic braised pork ribs. Full of memories, but I hope you like it.